Throughout the years, we have learned the importance of using natives in our landscape. Now, more and more people are moving onto smaller properties and have smaller landscapes to work with. But did you know that you can still benefit the ecology by providing native plants in a container? I will be working from back to front using the thriller, filler, spiller method. First, I'm going to use this Veronia because this is going to be one of the tallest plants. Now, to use as a filler, I've got Rudbeckia. Now, we're really going to pack this container, but it will be okay. Next season, if it starts getting too full, then you can always divide and spread the wealth. Now, it look nice with some grasses. So this is the little blue stem. We can add that right in. I think I want to add one more. A little blue stem. Squeeze him in there. So it's starting to look pretty full already. And now for our spiller. Here I have an aster. This one is called Snow Flurry. The neat thing about this little aster is that it only gets about 8 inches tall. So it will work perfectly for the front. Let's go ahead and get this in place here. I'm going to make a little more space because I want to add in one more thing. And this is this calero here. Now, I have added in different things to have different interests. So the pollinators will have something to go for throughout the season. This is in place now. I think we are all set. So I just need to top dress some soil. The bare spots here. And then one other important thing, always remember to water your containers right after you're done putting them together. Give those roots a drink. I hope everyone would give this a try because even the smallest garden make a big difference in the environment. So you can go out and do this too. Go out, get some native plants and put together a beautiful mixed planting. Trust me, the pollinators will find it.